In this video, I will introduce a AI website maker named Durable. Search Durable AI, click on First Website. This will direct you to a Durable.ai. Click on Generate Your Website. Here, write the type of your business. In this video, I will write beauty. You can write your fonts. This AI is very perfect. Here is your location. It will take automatically, or you can change alter it. Write the name of your business in third step and hit on Generate Website. This AI generates your website in few seconds. Picking AI color scheme, images, styles for your website. This will take few seconds. App. Your website is almost ready. Here your website is ready. You can see it. You can also customize. Click on Customize button, or you can edit a small portion on clicking Edit button. Thanks for watching video. You can contact it where you are.